Hello, this is my English speaking practice, and I'm talking about my personal development. And today I'd like to add missions to enhance the gameplay. Yeah, and so there is one mission, acquire data fish, and this mission requires a team to sell a certain amount of data fish in one transaction. Yeah, so yeah, I have introduced mission in order to make the game more engaging, and yeah, and this is a document where I wrote about game design, and this explains how this game engage the players engage the players engage how is a game engages players. Yeah, and basically, yeah, game phases at early phase of the game. Yeah, holding data fish is an advantage in progressing the game. Increasing the density level is important in the early game. To increase the density level, two players need to be in the same area. Also, if that happens, you can start virtual share, which can further advance you advantageously. We consider this phase as one, where players choose their strategy due to random initial placement. For example, if the purge terminal is far away, you need to greatly consider the possibility that other players will purge first and the UPB will decrease. What strategy this player can take in this case is important and is one of the points of the game design. Yeah. So regarding middle or late of the game, we expect the game to start moving from the stage where the amount of data fish held has increased and purge become possible. Hmm? We expect the game to start moving from the stage where the amount of data fish held has increased, yeah, and the purge becomes possible. Yeah, what we are considering here is the timing to enter the escape phase by purging. Yep, there are three types, three ways to win. Purge at an early stage and aim for an escape through self-reconstruction, self-recomposition. And due to UPB decline, you can only aim for reversal through events like share or mission. Yeah, mission is mission is crucial to make a reversal, make a reversal. Yeah, or a hybrid of the above. For example, staying in second place and waiting for the first place to fall, etc. Yep. So to make the game more engaging, I should implement the missions, and this is for the players uh, who haven't take advantages in the early phase. So in the middle phase or late phase, players those players aim to complete the missions and yeah, aim for a reversal. Yeah. And here is what I was thinking about design and strategy. So I'd like to make it come true, and yeah, make it come true. So think about things that aren't yet settled. I'll explain what I'm assuming in my head, since there are just theoretical ideas. We won't know if they actually work until we play the game. And so I talked about 3 mission design. Yeah. 1. We design missions that don't put those who are late to pursuit at risk. Yeah. For example, we design missions that are difficult to clear unless you go to specific locations. This can be considered an advantageous event for players with low share capacity, given the nature of share where players in the same node share capacity. Implement terminal and copy terminal exists only one node in the cyber ocean. This is correct. This is understandable. This is rational or logical. Reasonable. Or this makes sense because there is a concept that called as share capacity. This is if the player moved on the same node, the share capacity will be shared. It means divided by equally. So the players, those who have low share capacity, don't have risk. So because if the share happens, the share capacity will be divided into 2, equally divided. So this mission doesn't put those who are late to purge at risk. So I think I'm going to implement this. For example, imprint terminal or copy terminal exists only on one node. So for example, the mission says go to the copy terminal until the go to the copy terminal within the 5 logical times. For example. And next, we design missions that put the first place player at significant risk. We expect that the first place player is targeted, moves to aim for second place will occur, resulting in an overall bunch state. Of course, it's possible to finish the game while maintaining first place, so the risk doesn't necessarily lead to actual harm. For example, a mission like if you trigger share or siphon share against the first place player within a certain logical time, reduce the first place player's share capacity to 100. If there is a possibility of this mission occurring, one strategy could be to set up a small amount of data fish in siphon share in the early game. Yeah, this is, I think, so strategical and interesting because, yeah, the players, those who are late to purge, they cannot purge in the during the game because, yeah, if the players late to purge, the UPB, so the efficiency of purge is so low. So the those players had better aim for a reversal. Yeah, to take actions like this. So in order to do a reversal, there should be a lot of things to aim for a reversal. So this is one of those things. Yeah. So that those players can set up trap, set up siphon share. Yeah. Around the maps. Yeah. And this mission may happen, might not happen, but if happen, those traps would work. Yeah. So this can be one of the strategy. This is so strong, so powerful, so harmful to first place players. But this is just for first place player, so the players might avoid be in the first place. So the moves to aim for second place will occur, and which result in an overall bunched state. So so this is that's why I like this idea. Yeah. And mission design 3. We design missions that can be cleared without team cooperation. As a penalty for not clearing this mission, we set it so that a large part of ship capacity is lost. For players who are employing a strategy of not holding ship capacity, the risk is small, so it's possible to deliberately not clear and hinder others. Okay, this is similar to this design, and so that is yeah. So making teams happens, and the players, those who are employing a strategy of not holding share capacity, the risk is small, so Yeah, so those players can cause the problem of their team, can cause the problem for their teams, and in the teams, there are players those who have a lot of share capacity. So yeah, so this is a yeah, one of the strategy. But mm, but this mission deliberately to fail the mission is not lead does not lead to the victory for the player. So I'm not sure this mission works. So today I'm going to implement two missions, this and this, and yeah, and also I have to think about the mission rewards. Mission rewards are designed based on the total amount of share capacity at the time the mission occurs. Currently, we are trying to make it less than the total amount by applying a random number. Missions at the end of the game can be set to directly lead to victory. Yes, so the importance of missions is increasing during the game, because mission rewards is increasing based on the total amount of share capacity at the time. So basically the total amount of share capacity is high at the late phase of the game. So yeah, I think yeah, this makes sense. Yep. And previously, what I was thinking, I think the self-recomposition escape route is strong, so I'm designing it to be quite disadvantageous. As a result, I predict that the hybrid type of aiming for second place might become the orthodox strategy. Also, if we can present the possibility of a romantic or dramatic way of winning, where you only hold on to data fish and reverse the situation at the end, I will be personally satisfied. So yeah, so yeah, so the player should be able to reverse the situation at the end. Yeah. So I like this mission, and this is this is not bad. This is not bad. But I seek the reversal of the situation. So I needed to think about the missions. And also the game is long. Game is the game ends at 127 logical time units. Yeah. So, for example, four players, and one player take takes one logical time on their turn. So divide by 4. This is 30, 30, 30, 30, 30 cycles. So, I think the appropriate number of missions would be 15 or 20. Yeah. Yeah. So the one mission is approximately 6 logical time. One mission is ended within the 6 logical time. 6 or small mission is 3 or 4, and middle mission is 6 or 7, and long mission and within the 12 or something like that. So I needed to categorize the mission types. Yeah. And currently there is acquire data fish. Acquire data fish. And here is a mission happened hunter, and yeah. So there is one type of mission. So yeah, the mission is fixed like this. Okay, so today I'm going to implement a framework for the missions. So this is a mission state, and mission code and mission map is like this. So this mission, regarding this mission, yeah, mission have a threshold, and if the resource amount is greater than threshold, the mission is completed, and yeah, rewards. Rewards are given to the players in the teams, like that. Okay. Yeah, this mission aims for the reducing the amount of shell capacity. Yeah, this mission's goal is to get a resource by selling money. Yeah, so this mission is also a good idea. The UPB will recover. Yeah. Yeah. But the threshold is set to 1 million. So if this mission is happened in the early phase of the game, the mission will be stuck. The mission will stuck because 1 million is larger for 1 million is large for the players in the early phase, and overall amount should be calculated based on the total amount of shell capacity at the time. So I needed to fix the process, and also yeah, this here is the process for the mission happenings. But yeah, currently the mission code is fixed, so I need to implement the process for generating appropriate missions for the game phase. So let's write down mission reward calculate mission generating mission algorithm mission specific. Yeah, let's name it about design 2. siphon shell for first place player. And yeah, this is easy one. Yeah. mm, gathering on copy node, copy terminal. Estimated logical time. Siphon shell first for first place. This is $16. Gathering on copy terminal. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8. Yeah. And yeah, basically the game system requires the players to be in the center of the map. Yeah. It is desirable. Yeah, as a background settings. Yeah, and so the players who aim for a reversal, they had better stay on the center of the map, because if you stays on the center of the map, you take advantages during the game for completing missions. Yeah, so yeah, the game system is designed as how to say, As, as part of background settings, being in the center of the map will be advantageous. Many missions will tend to be easier to complete when positioned near the center. The rice is cooked. Mm, rice have been cooked. And this creates opportunities for comebacks and strategic shifts in the late game. Yeah. そうすることで逆転を No. As part of the game's background settings, being in the center of the map is considered advantageous. Missions that are easy to complete tend to appear more often near the center. This is incorrect. This isマップの中央にいる方がプレイヤーがAs part of the background settings, being in the center of the map is considered advantageous. Missions that are easier to complete tend to appear more frequently when the player is... this is not correct. This is not correct. Missions that are easier to complete when the player is the center of the map tend to appear more frequently. Yeah, this is correct sentence. So, as part of the background settings, being in the center of the map is considered advantageous. And missions that are easier to complete when the player is in the center of the map tend to appear more frequently. This encourages players who are aiming for a reversal to gravitate toward the center. Oh, I see. This encourages players who are aiming for a comeback to gravitate toward the center of the map. Yeah. So with the assumption that the center of the map is advantageous, we can set this to more small. Yeah, I think but 8 is needed because yeah. Mm. Mm. 6. Yeah, so there is also a luck. So yeah, 6 is 6 is good, I believe. And I'd like to add one more mission. Hmm. Pause interference. This is also important. So by the way, my room's light, my room's light turned off. Turned off or run out. Burned out. Yeah. So I have to fix it. I wonder if the purge interference is should be introduced as a mission or not. So the important thing is that the logical time advances faster than expected. So the mission is completed, the logical time advances faster than expected. Is this make sense? Does this make sense? Hmm. Wow, wow, wow. Mm, mm, as expected, I should I should create things the player who the player who doesn't have much shell capacity can do in the early phase of the game. So for now, in order to complete the missions, the player can set up the siphon shell. Player can feed data fish into siphon shell in advance for this mission. So this is one thing the player can do in the early phase. So I want to add things like this. What if? What else? The players had better be in the center of the map because copy terminal is here and the imprint terminal is here, so the player can imprint. Purge is here and here and here. So the UPB is getting down. The player regarding Fintable, this is Fintable can be acquired by paying shell capacity. So the player who have much shell capacity take advantages about this. So I don't want to make a mission about this. Virtual sharing, copy terminal. Syncrogate. How about using all of the syncrogates? So if the player use this syncrogate connected to this, and after moving to this syncrogate, the player cannot use this syncrogate. So in order to use this syncrogate, the player needed to use another syncrogate, this or this or this. So in order to use all of the syncrogate, the player should move. First use this and walk to here and use this, 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 like that. So two cycle need to cycle complete the missions. So I should no. I'd like to add a simple mission. Mm. Move to one cycle. Oh. So I needed to make being center advantageous. So being center advantageous can move to this or simply to grade up to fin turbo here or here. So to upgrade fin turbo, the player needed to have fin forge. So already have forged fin. So forge the fin and go to here or here, player pay. This makes sense. I think. Yeah. So the center is gravitated. Center is populated, so center is popular area. Got popular area. So this makes sense. And for the first placed player, I think they should avoid this area and escape from other players with holding a lot of shell capacities. So the top player, I think, moving around the map like this. This is, yeah. This makes sense. So okay. And 6 or 8. Okay. And already acquire data fish. This is a team-based missions, and yeah. 12. Yep. And okay, so the first version, I I decided to go with these 4 missions, and yeah, so I don't change the missions or add missions uh, for a certain period or a certain time, and I play it with my friends, and I will I will receive the feedback from them. Yeah, and I want to think about the game design or game balance. Yeah. So let's implement. Let's implement. Mm, 1 hour. 1 hour past. Okay. 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 Missions. Missions. Yep. Gathering on copy terminal, get win turbo, acquire that wish. No, acquire that wish. Siphon share for first placed player. Yep. And gathering on copy terminal mission states. This is not team based, and award amount is needed, and threshold or checking time. Checking time. Checked time. Checking time. Checking time. This is also checking time. This is needed. Gathering on copy terminal mission state. Is there any field needed? Checking time and award amount, and completion checking can be implemented on the process. So for the state, these 2 property is enough, I think. And get win turbo mission state checks. Yeah, this is also same. Siphon shell first placed player mission state. This is also, yeah. So checking time and award amount is basically needed, and this is used for team, and threshold is also needed. So good. It's okay. And details for acquired databases. Oh, I see, I see, I see. So, details for gathering on copy terminal mission. So, I this mission is individual. And within checking time will be absolute logical time. So until checking time logical time, you must be on the copy terminal until at at the time of at the logical time of you must be on the copy terminal. The player who completed the mission will get award amount is shell capacity, so the unit is units of like this, and also for get fin turbo mission. This mission is individual at the logical time of you must be you this is until the logical time of you purchase not have the player who completes the mission will get shell capacity. Yeah. For siphon shell for first placed player mission. This mission is individual. At this is the target player ID. This is needed. When this mission happens, the target player is decided based on their amount of shell capacity. So during the mission, this player never change. This mission is individual at the logical time of the first player name is needed. must avoid being trapped by the siphon shell. For other players, you must you can the player who trap yeah the target player does not any yeah this is a description. Okay, so let's implement and I also I also want to set the possibility of happening for each missions. So I want to make a data structure to do that. Let's take a look at mission happened, and here mission possibility is like this. But I want to define this for each mission. So no, this is how to so I should create mission happening generating mission function generating mission function. Also in logical state there is a game settings, so available missions, or this is yeah, settings for yeah, this is good. And wait, zero to 100, and yeah, weight and frequency, yeah. And there are two variable, and I want to make a algorithm, yeah, and calculate the possibility based on these two variable and logical time, yeah. So mission course, generate mission, and no, game time. And yeah, this has frequency and weight, and weight is larger, bigger weight tend to be less frequency in the early phase. So I'd like AI to generate algorithm. So wait. Larger weight. Larger weight means more likely to be selected. Okay, let's take a look. Game progress. Yeah, this is correct. And available missions. Mission code. Frequency. I see. So the more frequency is likely happen in these missions. No missions available. Yeah. Yes. Calculate. Weighted probability based on weight. Game progress. If the game progress is higher, the weight is yes. So more higher and more this correct? The game progress 1 and this is reflected 1 times and this is close to 0 and also this is close to 0. Let's think about weight is small. This is directly reflected. This is close to 0 and this is I see. So the game progress is bigger. This is not reflected, so the weight is small, but this is not reflected well. This is important. The game progress is small, close to 0. This is not reflected. This is close to 1, so this is important, weighted. So weight is small, this value is larger. So adjusted weight is and weighted emissions, total weight and random value and I see. Good algorithm. Okay, so I can create a function where the select the mission, select mission, but this is possible to return null, so be careful about this. But if this function return 1, this is always false. So in this case, I want to return random selected one mission. This is good, and so like this. Okay, let's use this in the mission handler, mission generation. Games, things, variable missions. Yes, like this, like this, like this. So this can be used. This can be used as it is. We can, for example, 90%, and yeah, sometimes not happen mission, and but the 90% with 90% the mission happened, and mission selected. Yeah. Okay. So and also here is a same algorithm. Yes. And yeah. Okay. And let's implement task handler for mission happened. Task handler for mission happened. Mission code is here. Yeah. Yeah, so initialize the mission state. Initialize the mission state, and it takes mission code, and switch mission code. Like this. And this is about acquire data fish. So return mission state. Like this. Initialize mission state returns mission state, or mission state map. Yes. Yes. Gathering on copy terminal. Checking time. Threshold checking time on current logical time and acquire data fish. Acquire data fish. Estimated time 12. But this should be defined in the mission type definition, I think. So yep. Yeah, this is correct. This is correct definition. Okay, so in yeah, like this, and so mission state. Mission state. Oh, this is so confusing. So mission specific mission state. Result history. Can I empty this? Oh. And also yeah, so we can use this for all of mission types. So yeah, check time, checking time, and the award amount calculation. This has algorithm. Total money and game progress. Game progress and random number. Game progress, total money. how to explain in English. No, 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 no. This is no. Okay, I see, I see, I see. 0 point, yeah, 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 yeah. So it means, yeah. And okay, so yeah. Yeah. So yeah, like this. So the maximum value would be total money at the time, and I also I'd like to use the weight. Okay. Mm, weight is weight and frequency is can be accessed. Gain settings か。Gain settings. Okay. Not bad. And what amount is used here? Like that. Threshold is fixed. Fixed is okay. I will change later. Okay. So the initialize mission state and specific mission state and description. Yeah. Yeah. Yep. Yep. Like this. Yeah. So it's okay. Okay, the notified mission description is good. Okay, so today I'm going to finish, and the remaining task is to implement the process for each missions. For example, gathering on copy terminal and the checking time. Yeah. In this mission, player should be on the copy terminal at the specific time. So yeah, the after move or maybe here or in here in this function. The turn and happen. let's see the game and process. Game and game. Yeah. So result history is used here. So I think shouldn't initialize result history here. Yeah. Okay. So the game end is I see. Game end is checked in the move handler. So task move in the task move. It's bothering me because the move is executed after that checking. Move game end mission never checked. But it's not big problem, so I want to check. Yeah, I need to add a new task. Hmm. Hmm? Hmm. Mm, is it is it is it required to create a new task? Just yeah, required. Yeah. Okay, this is correct. And in the task handler, let's create. Check mission. No, we can. Yeah, we can check here because here is okay. I will finish. Gathering on copy terminal. I'm not good at English. So extract. Like this. Huh? Cell type. Research. Ah. Okay. How to reward it? Reward history. Result history. Push. Mission code. Rewards. Like this. Mission result. Huh? Ah, I see. Mission result has a rewards, and reward has a player ID and money. Ah, okay, I see. I understand. So the mission. Award amount player ID. Like this. And also no. mission is gathering on copy terminal mission, and checking time is exact, and at the time the players check all of the players and get cell for each players and check if they are on the copy terminal. If they are on the copy terminal, they win the mission, they complete the mission, so they will be given the mission rewards. Mission rewards, the money is specified at mission object, and player ID is winner in player ID, and add result history as result. Mission code is gathering on the copy terminal, and rewards is here, and mission state become false. And after that, the logical time advance by 1, like this. It's good. So I'm going to finish, and almost done. So tomorrow I'll implement these 2 missions. Okay, so it's time to finish. It's a good place to end. Thank you for